I'm preparing to freezer paper piece a block of the Star Spin quilt pattern today, and this is what that final block will look like. But this method can be applied to other foundation paper piecing blocks as well. I have printed a page of my foundation paper piecing templates on this freezer paper. These are the same templates that you would use for regular foundation paper piecing with paper. There are 2 pages of these templates. These are the ones found on the first page, but I'm going to use this as an example today. You can use grocery store freezer paper to print your templates, but there are also quilting options available at quilt shops. If you're using regular freezer paper, you will want to cut it to 8.5 by 11-inch sheets, and then probably flatten it just a little bit before you print. Before I had started this project, I had heard that some of the quilt-specific products are a little bit stickier. So I used this Quilter's freezer paper from C&T Publishing. There are 30 sheets in this package. I printed templates for 4 blocks, so that was 8 sheets, so that I could work in batches. And then I reused those templates to make all 42 blocks of the throw size quilt. So when you're printing your templates, you want to print on the matte side of the paper. The shiny side is the sticky side that's going to stick to your fabric. So you want to print on this less shiny side. If you're not sure how your printer, what direction it prints or what side of the page it prints, you may want to run a test sheet of regular paper through the printer just to make sure that you know how to put this in. Once it is printed, don't forget to check your 1-inch test square to make sure that your templates have printed accurately. So this one looks okay. Then we're going to cut out these template sections on the dashed 1/4-inch seam allowance line, and then we're going to fold them on these solid lines between the sections, just like we would when we're using paper. So let's go cut these out. So now that our templates are cut out, we're going to fold them along these solid lines between the template sections. Be careful to fold these accurately. These templates will be used over and over again. So if that fold is off, then all of the pieces made with that template will be a little bit off as well. To make the folds a little bit quicker and along a straighter line, I use the template plastic. So this is template E for the quilt. So I'm going to use this template to line up on that straight line and then fold back. It just makes the process a little bit quicker and more accurate. Okay, so now that our templates are ready, let's go sew.